Let me show you how I plot psychological levels on the 4-hour chart. It's one of my favorite conferences. Step 1, look for round numbers. I focus on price levels like 1.2000, 1.1950, 1.1900, clean numbers that traders and banks watch. Step 2, check for price reaction. I zoom out a bit and see where price has respected those areas, either rejecting, stalling, or bouncing. Step 3, I use horizontal array tool and space them every 50 or 100 pips depending on the pair. So this is how I place this psychological level with my horizontal array tool, and then I have to then put it random number, which is then 50 pips. So it's going to be then 34, 500, 50 pips each. And for you to definitely confirm if it's 50 pips, you need to then take your measurement tool. You have to then see from this level, the psychological level now at 1.34500. So we need to then calculate 50 pips. So here I have a very quick way I do that. So I'm just going to calculate that very quickly. 50 pips, just to be sure, just to be confirmed that it's definitely 50 pips. So this is literally how you're going to plot that. So you can see on the chart it's 50 pips. So what you're going to do is take out your horizontal array tool and then place it exactly where the 50 pip is. Then for you to be sure as well, you have to make sure that it is definitely 50 pips. So here already you can see that it's exactly 50 pips. So you can add more psychological levels. This time around we can say, okay, let us go below. We can put it now below, and if it's upwards, you add 50 pips. If it is below, you subtract 50 pips. So the next psychological level now is definitely going to be 1.3400. So that's the next psychological level, 50 pips. You can also confirm with your measurement tool. You can check if it's 50 pip as well. Then you can place it here and then drag it to the next place and try to align it nicely to measure if it's up to 50 pips. So we're going to see very clear that eventually these are a strong level that market tend to obey and react off when it comes to these levels. So you can see it's absolutely very correct, 50 pips. So step 4 for me is use as confluence. My psychological levels are used as confluences. These levels become powerful when combined with trend lines, chart patterns of support or resistance. So I'm going to say add psychological levels to your chart and see how price reacts. Follow for more real strategy breakdowns.